In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices in Harvest. If you bill the same client for the same work on a schedule, setting this up once can save you time and help you get paid consistently. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can feel confident about what Harvest will send and when. First, log into your Harvest account so you're on the main dashboard. From the top menu, click Invoices. This is your hub for everything related to billing. Next, look for the Recurring section and click Recurring. This area is dedicated to invoices that Harvest will generate and send for you over time. Now click New Recurring Invoice. You're starting a template that Harvest will reuse on the schedule you choose. Begin by selecting the client for this invoice. Make sure you pick the client that should receive these invoices going forward. If they have multiple contacts, confirm that the primary billing contact in Harvest is the right one, since that's who will receive the emails. After that, choose the project or items to include. You can pull in billable projects tied to that client, or add specific line items if your pricing is fixed. Take a moment to name items clearly and use descriptions that make the charges obvious to your client. Clear, consistent wording helps reduce questions and speeds up payment. Next, set the invoice schedule. You can choose weekly, monthly, or set a custom frequency. Pick the cadence that matches the way you deliver work or expect payment. If you choose custom, think about the interval and the day of the month that makes the most sense for your billing cycle. Enter the start date for when the first invoice should go out, and add an optional end date if this arrangement has a defined finish. If it's ongoing, you can leave the end date blank. Just make sure your start date gives you enough time to review everything before the first send. Customize any invoice details, including payment terms, notes, and discounts. Terms clarify when payment is due, notes can add context or a friendly thank you, and discounts should be clearly labeled so clients see the value. This is also a good place to double-check currency and tax settings if applicable. When everything looks right, click Save Recurring Invoice. From here, your invoice will be automatically sent according to the schedule you chose. You can always return to this recurring template later to make edits or pause it if your plan changes. And that's how you set up recurring invoices in Harvest. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.